What up, fam? Chi-Chi here. Welcome back. Today we have a Telfar unboxing, but it's not what you actually think. Well, technically you'll know what it is because you read the title, but I ended up getting a free Telfar belt. That's right. Apparently there have been emails going around and Telfar is giving away a free belt, and I happen to get one of these. Now, I don't know how one is picked for said belt. I've seen people with large order histories get a belt, and I've seen people with only one order get a belt. So I really don't know how it's going. Obviously, it's a random situation, but this is why you need to be a part of the email gang, like I told you. But I really wanted to unbox it because Telfar has boxes now? Like, okay, growth, okay. So that's why I was really like excited. Luckily, I looked at my email because my email was compromised. So I've been changing everything, and unfortunately you can't change like your email for Telfar. I haven't created a new account for Telfar, so it actually went to my old email. But hey, listen, I'm happy. But let's just get into this box. So this is, I guess, the brand new Telfar boxes. Looks really, really good, really clean. It's got a nice little feel to it. I'm digging it. And then inside, we have our standard dust bag. And I picked up the tan with silver hardware belt. Now, ma'am, not sure if this is going to fit me because she looking a little on the short side. I mean, okay, she might fit me. I got the tan logo belt in the large, so this is supposed to fit 30 inches to 46 inches. I don't think I'll 46 inches on this body. I don't know, but the buckle diameter is 1.7 inches and the strap width is 1.15 inches. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is going to fit your girl, but we will continue. How do I open this thing? Oh, she is all the way. Let me undress her real quick and I'll be back. Of course, you have the Telfar logo, and I got it in the tan color. You have, let's see how many adjustments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 adjustments. That's probably the most I've ever seen on an actual belt. And then you have your Telfar tag right here. This is 100% polyurethane and the buckle is zinc alloy. So yeah, this is how the belt is looking. I'm gonna see if I can put this on because your girl is plus size. I am a size 18-20. I am on the third to the last hole. And so far, yeah, she's fitting. She's fitting on the body. I didn't like cinch it all the way. You know, I just kind of closed it so it's just like laying here. So I do have enough room. If I really wanted to like cinch it in, I probably could go one more notch. I'm not doing that. It's plus size approved. I don't know how big your waist is, sis, but yeah, right now she's fitting me and I'm a size 18. So luckily this is a plus size friendly because I was just like, ooh. I legit just chose any belt that had a medium large available. It'd be nice if he did have a large, extra large for bigger people. But yeah, I'm just happy I did fit it because I was set on selling this, to be 100% honest. But I don't have any tan belts with silver hardware, and I am trying to incorporate more silver into my life. Look at me, growth. But yeah, this is going to be the same material as the bags. I do have the tan shopper tote, so this will actually match perfectly with that. So I don't even have to worry about, you know, my bag matching my belt, because they 100% do. I think it's pretty dope that they've been sending out free belts randomly. I think, you know, it's nice to feel appreciated, especially when you spend a lot of money with a brand and you're really supportive of said brand. I am a huge supporter of Telfar. I haven't purchased the new bag. I was a little skeptical. I ain't even gonna front. I'm not gonna front. After seeing the first batch come out, it's like, okay, she can rest a little bit more easy at night, and maybe I'll pull the trigger on it. But yeah, I'm happy that I actually got a belt. I think the belt is pretty cute. It's something I could use to belt a dress. Y'all know I love to belt a dress. You could definitely belt a jacket with this, and you could wear it as a regular belt. I'm not sure if I want to wear it as a regular belt though. I think I want to use this as a belting situation. But yeah, I think it's nice. It's glazed on both the top and the bottom. It's stitched pretty well. I mean, it smells like, it doesn't smell hella chemically, so I mean, that's great. But yeah, I mean, I do appreciate all of the holes that he gives us, because, you know, sometimes people just stop at like 7, and he's basically given us double plus more. So I'm a happy camper. I would not have purchased a belt had I not gotten this one for free. So now I'm like, do I want a black one? Because that's the one I would have picked. If it was available, I definitely would have picked the black with the silver hardware, even though I'm black and gold girl. But black and silver, it wasn't available. So this one was the next best. And I think they do have a few colors. I ain't even going front. They have a lot of colors. Let's see. I think the dark olive would have been shapoppin'. The red ones would have been really nice. They had orange, they have chocolate, yellow, cream. They have pink. I'm not a pink girl, even though you guys are proud. I'm wearing pink. I'm just saying, it's a little something for you guys. But yeah, I'm happy. I would buy another belt in another color. I wish they had some gold hardware, of course, but the tan and silver, you can't go wrong with this color combo, and I'm happy that I do have it. So yeah, check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.